If you're looking for dogs memorials, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel. Top 10 Dogs Memorials Products. Number 1, by Pearhead. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by the Grandparent Gift Company. Number 3, by Pearhead. For more details about these Dogs Memorials products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by Miles Kimball. Find these Dogs Memorials at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Banberry Designs. Number 7, by Pearhead. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Imagine This. Number 9, by Tiny Ideas. Discover more Dogs Memorials ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Angel Star.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.